What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, we're going to soak the trampoline with water from the hose because it was just raining, but then it just stopped. So we're going to soak the trampoline and we're going to do some tricks. Let's get started. Alright guys, so we just finished getting it wet. We're about to start the video. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so I hope y'all enjoyed that video. Please go subscribe to my brother. His link is going to be in the description. He does a whole bunch of videos from gaming. He did a trampoline tricks video yesterday, so go watch that and please subscribe. Let's get him to 30 subscribers. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe, and make sure y'all come back to the next one. Peace.